Alright guys, I'm about to start working on the M45. I got my buddy here, Edgar. He does great, really good interior detailing. I'll put his info down below. If you guys are looking for, like, you know, nice interior detailing, come hit this guy out. I've been using him for the past 3-4 years. Ever since I started selling cars, he's the one that cleans my cars. I highly recommend him. Check him out, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna start removing the radiator fans on this M45.
All right, guys, we're replacing the radiator fans because when I brought this car from the auction, I noticed it would overheat when it would stop. So I figured out it was the fan, and here's a short clip of me figuring out it was the fans.
All right, we'll just turn on the AC. Alright, okay guys. You see how this one's like stationary? It's not moving. You see that? See that one, guys? It's not moving at all. But that one's like going full blast. Okay, now watch this. See?
Alright kids, please do not do this at home.
There you go, guys. I need new fans. So, you know, that's the thing about cars that don't run and drive, guys. It's a risk, you know. This is a before, guys. I'm gonna show you guys after when I'm done fixing it. But yeah, check it out, guys. It's pretty dirty. Look at the wheel, it's all dirty. Yeah, look at that interior, guys.
In the next clip, I will be replacing the radiator fans, and I'm gonna show you the process and the time lapse.
I'm gonna let you guys check it out once it's all done. All right, deuce. Super sweaty. It's really hot in Houston, but I already got the radiator fans off. It took me like 5 minutes. It was really easy, really self-explanatory. But here you go, guys. I had to remove the intake, 2 bolts right here, the clips, and it basically just slides up. Like, that's it, guys. Yeah, it's that's coolant that's falling out of the radiator, guys. The radiator isn't messed up, but yeah, dude. It was a pretty easy, right now I'm actually going to the junkyard to see if I'm able to just get this fan, because this is the only one that's messed up. And I just made it here to the junkyard that I found on OfferUp. I bought these just to compare them and see if they match, you know. But these are the guys, I found them on OfferUp, and you know, let's see if they want to hook me up. I'm gonna tell them about my YouTube channel and stuff, and I'll see if they'll let me record the process of the buy and everything. All right. Alright guys, just made it here to salvage yard, and I actually found these guys on OfferUp, and they're right down the road. What a coincidence, guys. He's actually taking me to look at the radiator fans on the car, so you know, if everything goes great, you know, you guys go ahead and check them out. You know, they're really nice people. They're actually letting me record and bringing me to the back of their operation, so it's pretty nice, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit when we pull up to the M35. Alright guys, this is the M35 that I got the fans off of. It looks a lot like mine. Same color and everything. This car, hell, I had a lot of miles, 200,000, so I'm guessing the wheel bearing's bad, but I'm gonna see if they can actually let me see it and check it out. There we go, guys. Those are the fans. They're already pulled. Now this auto salvage yard, they actually already have the parts pulled out for you guys, so you don't have to come and bring the tools and get hot and sweaty. Just come and buy it. All right, guys. Well, they actually let me come to the back. I told them I had a YouTube channel, and you know, I showed them my journey, and they were actually really nice, and they let me come to the back to actually look for the part myself. As you can see, they're very organized. They're really nice people, man, and I think this is the one. Yeah, the guy told he already helped me out, you know, but he didn't want to be in the video, so I'm gonna respect him, and you know, I'm gonna get this. I'm actually getting this and the radiator fan for $100, guys. Yep, $100. So I'm getting a really great deal. They're really great people. Come check them out. and they're actually like 4 minutes away from my lot. I'm gonna put their info down below. Alright guys, for you viewers from different places and you want to get cheap, reliable parts, he actually has an eBay store. Go check him out. First Stop Auto Parts. They have great reviews. If you search up his address, they have like a 4.8, 4.7. That's amazing, guys. Most junkyards have lower ratings, and this one has a really good rating. And I experienced. We're actually coming back from the back, and these are the fans that I'm getting from them, and these are mine. As you can see, they're exactly the same. All I have to do is just replace this. And here's the wheel bearing for the white one. This for the white one I'm driving. But yeah, as you can see, they're both the same. And we're gonna actually go try them on right now to see if they work. If they don't work, they actually told me that I could come back and they'll try to find me other ones. But yeah, guys. All right, guys. Here's the receipt. And let's get back to the shop, guys. There you go, check them out. That's the spot. They're great people. All right, guys. So basically just putting back everything on. You know, I was able to get the radiator fans. I just test fitted them. You know, that's why they're a bit loose, but they worked, so I don't have to return them and tear them off. But you know, I'm just gonna bolt everything on and refill up the coolant, and yeah, we're just gonna do a time lapse. So yeah, see you guys after the time lapse. Alright guys, so I just put everything back on. As you can see, I'm about to go start the vehicle right now and see how it runs. Go check out the fans, see how they're working. There you go, guys. Both fans are working full blast. Check that out. Both of them are running good now. Ignore the smoke and the drop cover gaskets. There's nothing major. I don't really see why they alternating. Alright guys, well, I'm about to go. Run and see if it overheats. Alright guys, catch you guys later.
We out here with one shoe.
Your shoe fell off?
Yeah, it's alright.
Where's it at?
It's inside probably.
Alright guys, I'm here with my daughter. This is my daughter right here, Alani. Here's the car house. We got the M45 running. Let's see if it's overheating. radio works. Oh no, it don't work. Yeah. Nope, it doesn't work. I'm gonna fix the amp on this car. We gotta figure out where it's at and all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, the car's not overheating anymore. Check it out right there. Boom. It's been off for the past like 20 minutes, so I already fixed the overheat. Alright guys, well this one actually has navigation. I just put it on and the AC's already kicking it on. Do you feel the AC, babe, or not?
Yeah.
You feel it on your butt?
Well, not yet. Do you?
I'm getting frustrated.
No, she just wants to stand up. She felt the AC.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, we're about to start recording on another build that I'm gonna do. Oh, that's gonna put us on the map. Alright, dope. Deuces, my bad. That's a dope, right?